In this video, we're going to check out whether this platform known as PayOutJohn is either legit or scam. Plus, I've been hearing a lot of things about this platform. Some people have been saying this platform is scam. I've gotten a lot of complaints and a lot of reviews about this platform, that this platform is scam, while some other people are coming out to say this platform is not scam, and some people are calling these people who are coming out to say this platform is not scam to be influencers of this platform. So you're going to be with me as I will take you through the step-by-step ways in which we're going to check out this platform known as PayOutJohn.com to check whether this platform is scam or not. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejima. I'm a medical student at the University of Calabar. In my channel, we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also make grow. And in today's video, we are going to check this platform known as PayOutJohn.com to check whether this platform is actually legit or scam. Watch this video to the end. So PayOutJohn.com is a platform that promises you that when you join them, you will get paid. It says it was founded in 2023 and has been paying its members for doing tasks and activities which are given to them. You can join the website and perform their tasks to get reward. There is no fee, no membership fee, and no pay thing. All thing is free. The main thing is your passion to do the completion of the tasks and promote this platform to your friends. It says if you're a student, unemployed, use internet daily, you use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, then they say this platform is for you because you can earn up to $5 to $8 for every small task of 2 minutes. So you just have to sign up today and get job bonuses. So it says there are 20 jobs that are available, and when there's 20 jobs, you can earn up to $100, and payout is at the end of the month. Their payment method is through PayPal, check, wire transfer, and Western Union, and that is also the same thing for those with 50 jobs, which are $250. The one of 100 jobs, we have $500. They also have the total earning. As you can see, they have the first level earning, which is $5. They have the second level earning, which is $2, and they have the third level earning, which is $1. You just have to register on this platform and you can start making money on this platform according to them. So you can see their top payout countries. They have UK with a $35,560 payout. They have USA, they have Germany, they have Indonesia, they have Malaysia, and they also have Spain. So we're going to go through this platform step by step ways on which you can sign up for this platform. As you can see, this is for their members login, but since this is our first time of visiting the channel, we're going to click on sign up now. So we'll just click on sign up now and we allow it to open. So for us to register on this platform, they say we should give in our username. So I'm going to give in our unique username. Please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button to continue getting updates anytime I will drop videos like this. So let's our password. Let's give in our password. Let's give in our password. Oh yes, and let's give our email. So that is just how we can register on this platform. Your username, your password, and your email, and click on register. So let's allow it to open. So I registered now on this platform. So it says your account has been activated. Go to login page to get entered in an account area. So you just have to click here to log in. So we'll log in on the platform and we allow it to load. So this is basically how you can sign up on this platform. It's as ABC, but we're going to check through whether this platform is actually legit or scam. So let's log in. So you log in with the details you use the first time when you register on this platform. As you can see, that is the same thing I'm doing here. So you give in your password. And you click on login and you allow it to open. Okay, they say this server is temporarily unavailable, 503 error, and this is a very big proof that this platform is actually not legit. Oh yes, this platform is not legit, because a very legit platform cannot be telling me that they will be having a service unavailable message when there are a lot of members who are willing to register on the platform and complete task. So for me, and for the purpose of making this video, I'm here to tell you that this platform is not legit, and I've gotten verification, and this has enabled you to also get verification that this platform is not legit. To see more of these videos like this, don't forget to click on that red subscribe button so that I can continue to get updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also make go. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.